Alright guys, new video here. We have Whiplash. This is the unboxing of Whiplash. I really like this movie. I don't know why, but I think it's all the music. So let's see how this one came in. I do see a little thing there. Nothing to cry about. No spine slash. Very good. So my little J card with the booger. All right, so let's open this puppy up. All right, so you can see it's the, I don't even know what this is called. I know it's from the drum set. I'm not a music guy. So this is the disc. I have no clue what it's called. All right, but the Steelbook is like a matte finish with this metallic gold copper looking disc with the title. Actually, this looks really nice. I really like the movie too, so those two actors did a good job. Very great, very great. All right, so that is a fully open Steelbook, Whiplash. And on the inside, I haven't seen the inside. We have just one disc. There we go. Whiplash. And then we have the drum. There it is. Very cool. I really like this Steelbook, actually. Look at that. Excellent. That is classy. So this is, again, the Steelbook for Whiplash. I bought these at Best Buy. And there it is, the spine. Perfect condition. Under that little ding on the bottom. All right, guys. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.